Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You cannot place Adsense code directly inside a Facebook page because you do not control the HTML. Adsense requires a website you own with its own domain and verified content for monetization. Create one website and connect it to your one Adsense account before promoting it on Facebook. Google reviews sites and can take up to 30 days for full approval. During review, avoid major layout or content changes. Prepare a clear privacy policy and contact page for faster verification. Sign up for one Adsense account and add your website domain for verification and ownership. Implement 1 to 3 ad units per page and use responsive ad sizes for mobile and desktop. Put ads only on pages with original content and avoid link farms or scraped content. Add a clear privacy policy and accessible contact page to improve trust and approval speed. Test loading and mobile layout to keep pages under reasonable load times for better user experience and policy compliance. Use your Facebook page to drive organic traffic to pages where Adsense runs. Post links in feed posts, one pinned post, and occasional boosted posts to increase page views and ad impressions. Track referral traffic in analytics to optimize post times and headlines for better click-through rates. Avoid any attempts to embed Adsense within Facebook frames or apps. That violates control and policy. Instead, build landing pages on your domain with clear calls to action and follow Google policies for content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.